Jeremiah here from Babbling Backyard. In today's video, we're going to be cutting down these arborvitaes that are blocking all of the nice sun for this space for the greenhouse. Stick around, make sure you check out the whole video, see how we follow these guys right along this fence line. For this video I am using the Worx electric 18-inch chainsaw. This is a fantastic chainsaw actually. Make sure it has bar oil in it and you're good to go. No need to mix gas or anything. You're not worrying about any of that. You're just dealing with this electric chainsaw. I got this idea from my father-in-law. I would have never thought electric would be the right choice for a chainsaw, but my father-in-law uses this exact one and he cuts all of his firewood with it. It's insane how much cutting he can do with just an electric chainsaw. So I was like, okay, fine, I'm buying one because I was tired of messing with my gas chainsaws all the time. So I've had this one for a year now and it works fantastic. Let's go ahead and see what we can do. This particular one was hanging way over the fence, so because it's so far over that fence, I've got boys on both ends of this rope. We're trying to pull it back away from the fence to get around the post, and then another boy, once it's upright, will be pulling it back towards where we want it to fall. Here goes nothing. Alright, I'm going to walk you through real quick how to change this chain. So first thing for this chainsaw, 16-inch Worx, and even though it doesn't list it for Oregon chain, it's the 57 links. So that's important. You need to make sure you have that so it works correctly. But it's super easy to work on this thing. If the chain comes off, this is the same situation. You just unscrew this real quick, hold the bar, pop this guy off here, chain comes off, and that chain has been on there for a while. It doesn't, these don't wear out that fast, or that one didn't wear out that fast. Oregon chain makes great chain, so it should also last a while. You got to make sure you have the chain going the correct direction. The cutting happens this direction, and there's a little hump that's right on the other side. So there's also an arrow. If you look every once in a while, there's an arrow pointing the direction the chain's going to be moving. On Oregon chain anyways, it's stamped in there. Now on the bar also says that the chain is moving this way when it's on top. So this is the top of the bar, so I need to make sure that when I put this on there that the chain's going to be going the correct direction that way. So you pop it into the links up on top, and in this case now that chain is going the right direction based off the arrow on the chain and the arrow on the bar. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is throw this bar up here. I'm going to brush this off a little bit with my hand. Just get some of that gunk away. Throw this on the slot, but I need to at the same time get into the sprocket on this side. So this is the driving sprocket. Okay, next thing I do, the cool thing about this is that there is a little tab here, or a little slot that goes over this tab so that it lines up your threads for you. So you just make sure that that tab is sitting on there, and then you'll find that thread real easily. Just line that thing up until it's ratcheting. You're done. Fresh chain. Alright, that does it for this video. As you can see, the Worx chainsaw kicks some serious butt. I could have kept going without changing the chain, but chain change made it way faster. To my father-in-law, Jeff, thank you for recommending this chainsaw. This thing's awesome. And I'll never go back to gas again. For me, I don't really need it, so This is great. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. We got all sorts of cool videos on this channel. We'll see you in the next one.